Today I'm with my beloved Justice members, Gigi Cecilia Green, and Elizabeth Ross Bloodfame.
Yay!
Guys,
why are you coughing?
I don't know, I'm just coughing because you're coughing.
Ew, guys, that's gross. I'm gonna leave.
Yeah, I don't appreciate you coughing on me, Cecilia.
No, I really don't like it.
My stream.
Oh my god, that's gross. Okay. Ew. All right, everyone. I'm gonna bring Cecilia to the nearest hospital.
Thanks. You really do care for me, huh?
Yeah, I do.
I appreciate it.
See you guys tomorrow.
We'll be at Japan Expo.
Yeah, we have
You're going to
Japan
Japan
Expo.